Aries, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the second week of November. I hope you're all doing fine wherever you are and you have enjoyed Diwali, because by the time the second week starts, Diwali would be over. Alright, let's start with the wisdom of the oracle cards today. Okay, let's see what the second week has in store for you. All right. This is for the sun, moon, rising sign of Aries for the second week of November. Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to give you a complete picture about all the energies that are playing out for you. Okay, I hope you can see that. All right, let's get you some cards from this beautiful deck, and today I'm going to draw some tarot cards. Okay, so let's see. I'll be happy to do your personal reading. You'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to my video. You'll find a link to my website. Okay, and in my website, that is where you will know all the work that I do. As also, you'll find link to my social media, Instagram and Facebook, where you can join me, and I'll be happy to see you there. Also, you'll find a link to my other YouTube channel, and if it is not on the website, I'll link it in the description box below. Okay, do join me there also. All right, and today, as I said, I'm going to get you 3 cards from the tarot deck to see what energies are playing out for you. All right, here goes. Okay. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Help my channel grow. As a community, we are getting closer and closer. I appreciate all your love and support. And I'm going to take 3 cards. Okay. Just give me a moment. I seem to have... Yes. All right. So, Aries, November 2nd week reading for you. All right, let's start with your Moonology card, and you've drawn full moon in Gemini. Okay, so the energy I get from this card immediately, first and foremost, is something of importance regarding partnerships or relationships is what the energy is going to be about. Okay, and it says the answers you need are coming. Okay, now as I said, apply it to you any of the relationships in which you are awaiting some kind of a response. Okay, it could be a professional relationship also, where probably you've applied for a job, or you've applied, you've had a discussion with to have a partner in your business, or it could be you've applied for a loan and there is some relationship where you're waiting for a response, and that's the energy that I'm getting, because it's a full moon card which is to me about completions, which is about ending something. So you are on the brink of ending something and starting something, and that start required you to have this answer. Okay, now let's see what it's all playing out in what area. Oh, you're blessed. You've drawn a beautiful blessed card. And can you see this pink, the orange and pink aura with the stars here? So some of you watching this video are definitely star seeds, and the answers you're seeking are more spiritual in nature. Okay, and it's about your relationship, your connection with the divine, and you've been waiting for some kind of a breakthrough. You are going to get your answers, you'll be guided, you'll get your signs, your synchronicities. And the second is the blessings. You're going to be blessed with a with an answer, and a very favorable answer, okay? An answer that will make you feel blessed, make you feel very happy. I love to see that for you. And Aries, you've drawn the observer card, exactly. And this energy to me is all about now be on the, check your emails regularly, check your any social media properly and quite regularly, because you'll be finding an email, you'll find a message, you'll receive a message, an email, a telephone call. So something that will, will give you this answer that you've been so looking forward to. I'm so happy for you, Aries, because it's coming. It's there in the pipeline, and you just need to be observant to receive it. And you've drawn Archangel Michael, and he says, use the sword of truth to help the world. So it is about this communication that will come. There is just a need that it needs to be, you need to be very thorough about reading the fine print, about reading the contract, okay? Because you need to be very clear about what you are expecting from this, and you need to be clear about what is being offered to you, okay? So read the fine print before you accept anything. And any contract that you're going to sign, make sure that you've completely read it and understood it and got it clarified, okay? That is what Archangel Michael is wanting to caution you about. Beautiful, you've drawn the happy family. This is the 10 of Cups energy. This is about stability, security, a sense of belonging. So for those who identify yourself as a light worker, a star seed, an indigo, you've been looking for your soul family where you belong, okay? And you've been wanting to connect with people who can help you on this path, right? Or with whom you can discuss matters and what you are going through, what they are going through, and coming, because spirituality is about the unknown actually, okay? And it's about our journey, that we trust the universe, we trust the divine, and we take that journey, right? So this is about finding your soul tribe, your soul family, that will help in this connection will help you in understanding your path, your spiritual path more. And for the others of you who are looking for partnerships in a romantic manner or in a professional manner or even with your family, it is going to be a very happy kind of a response that you're going to get. It's all about these answers that you're going to get, okay? This reading is all about something that you've been waiting for, that you will receive, and you will receive it in an abundant way. You're going to be very happy, okay? In fact, for some of you, it may be even a leveling up of your commitment, a deepening of your commitment. So if you're in a relationship, you may decide to get engaged, decide to get married. So, if you're already married, you may decide to go in for a child. So it's about strengthening and deepening of those bonds and that commitment. Beautiful. Exactly. This is walking away. Now you are walking away out of a situation, which is about the completion which I was getting here. So you are walking out of away from things that no longer serve you. Now you've decided to go on this path. You've decided to take this next step, and for that you need some loan, you need some help, you need some resources, and those are coming to you because you've got the blessed card and you've got the the happy family card. Beautiful. Make sure, as Archangel Michael is here to caution you, read the fine print. Now let's see the practical way in which these things are going to work out. Beautiful. You've drawn the Ace of Pentacles, which talks about new beginnings, okay? It is about a new start, and it is a very earth energy. So it is something in reality. So whether you identify yourself as spiritual or not, okay, it is going to benefit both the people. So those who are on a spiritual path, it's not just about what you feel. Now you're going to get a sign or a synchronicity which you need to be observant about in your real life, and things will start manifesting for you, okay? And for those who are looking for a new job, a new career, a new loan, a new business partnership, a new contract, or even a new relationship, it is happening. Beautiful. Let's look at yes, get out of this. This is very similar to this walking away energy. This is you were closed because you were confused about what decision to make. Okay, you had closed your heart, and it's now that you've decided to move out of this closed circuit and move on and try something different. That is when this new energy comes into your life. Beautiful. And you've drawn the High Priestess card. It is about intuition. It is about your inner knowing. It is about a gut feeling that is telling you to move in a particular direction. Listen to it, okay? Follow the guidance. Look for the signs and synchronicities, because you are being divinely guided towards a new beginning, a new phase, a new chapter in your life. Beautiful reading for you, Aries. I wish and pray that these energies work out in your life soon. Remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and definitely please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon, Aries. Namaste.